Hello everyone, welcome to Shimi's Dastarkhan. Today I will show you how you can make naan basket at home very easily in our iron tawa. Naan are a sort of Indian breads which goes with any kind of Indian curries. I will show you how you can make three types of naan: butter naan, garlic naan and chili cheese naan. So do give it a try and let me know in the comment box below how it came out. And if you enjoyed my video, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So let's get started. Friends, these are the basic ingredients we require to make our naan. By this measurement, we can make approx 10 to 12 naans. So here is 3 cups of maida, that is the all-purpose flour, half cup of warm milk, half cup of curd, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, pinch of baking soda and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I will be showing you how to make butter naan, garlic naan and the chili cheese naan. So other than the basic ingredients, we require finely chopped garlic, the kalonji, that's the nigella seeds, chopped coriander leaves. Here's the grated mozzarella cheese, water, butter and red chili flakes. So in a large bowl, we will be sieving all our dry ingredients first. So first goes the maida, here goes all the maida. Together goes the salt, baking soda and the baking powder. Sieve it again. So now make a well in the center. I have washed my hands. Add the sugar, the curd, combine both well. Everything is well combined. Now I will be adding the warm milk. Don't add in one go. Add again. You have to slowly combine to make a soft dough. It will be sticky, but how should it be? The warm milk and the curd will help to make a smooth and soft dough. Sprinkle a little bit more. Keep on doing this. Our dough is kneaded up properly. Cover with a damp cloth and rest it for 3 to 4 hours. So after 5 to 6 hours, my dough is ready. So I'll grease my hand with little bit of oil and then knead it again. The dough is perfect. Now I will divide it into balls. Split the balls into equal sizes. Now first I'll start making the butter naan. So I'll take one ball, dip it into the dry flour, and then roll it. I'll give an elongated shape as we see in the restaurant. Now I will apply generously water on one side. The water will help in sticking to the tawa, and the tawa should be nicely heated up. The tawa is nicely heated up. Now I'll put the water side down and cover it. As you can see, my naan is puffing up. Show it onto the fire like this. I've put a butter on the top and the butter naan is ready. So do give it a try. It's so delicious. Now I'll start making the garlic naan. Here I took one ball and dusted with a flour. Again, roll it elongated or oval. Dust it again. Now to this, I'll sprinkle some chopped garlic, the Nigella seeds, chopped coriander leaves, and press it. Dust a little flour and roll it again. See, it's ready. Now flip it and apply a generous amount of water on all the sides. Now take it to the tawa. The tawa is hot and now the water side goes down like this. And now cover it for 50 seconds. So after 50 seconds, take the naan out from the tawa like that and then show it to the flame. The same way we make roti or chapati. The homemade garlic naan is ready. Do give it a try. It really tastes delicious. Now I will be showing you how we can make chili cheese naan. For that I took a ball, again dusted with the flour, roll it a little bit like a puri, then I'll put a grated cheese, the chili flakes, little bit of coriander leaves. Now close it. Dust it again with the flour and now roll it again. Like this. at the top. Sprinkle a little bit of cheese just to show that it is chili cheese naan. Very tasty and delicious. Chili flakes and coriander again. Dust it with flour. Press it. Roll it again. We'll flip this. Apply water on the other side. Take it to the tawa. Put the water side down. Cover it for about 40 to 50 seconds. So after 40 seconds, just take out the naan and show it onto the fire like this. My cheese chili naan is ready. Just put a dollop of butter onto that and it tastes delicious. Friends, my naan basket is ready. It has butter naan, garlic naan, chili cheese naan. It goes very well with Indian curries. Do give it a try, and if you enjoyed my video and found it easy, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. Till then, bye.